I saw this post the other day about the pros and the cons of taking insurance. And anytime I'm in one of those comment threads, let's say, there's always like a heavy pushback against the structure of healthcare insurance and mental health care and all those things. And I get a lot of the negative words and tones that are set in regards to health insurance and mental health care, diagnoses, documentation, getting reimbursed, not getting reimbursed, which, like I've talked about before, you're not going to get paid 100% of the service that you do if you do take insurance. But the reason we decided to take insurance is because, for one, the founders, myself and my business partner, we have a real heart for the community mental health work. Most of our therapists either have tons of experience working at community health centers or they currently work at community mental health centers. So for us, it just seemed a no-brainer to add another service, especially for our less fortunate population. Now, on the side of cash pay, it is a lot more expensive and there is not a lot of money in order to do community mental health work when you're set up like a for-profit private practice like we are. This year is the year that we're making that transition. Got our nonprofit 501c3 designation, and we're working on merging our for-profit into the nonprofit, or whatever like the real legal term is, because the hope is we're going to apply to be a certified community behavioral health center, because at the heart of our mission is community mental health work. So myself, as a guy in long-time recovery, like I wouldn't be here without some of our community health workers. My entry into mental health, the field, into healthcare, was working at a community mental health center, a community health center in their behavioral health department. So for me, it's a no-brainer. IMUA Heart, our nonprofit, is a community mental health center with fitness, nutrition, culture, and education at its heart. Now, on the other side, cash pay, I'm definitely going to talk about that in the future.